Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening settings right away. This gets you to where Wallpapers live. Use the Start menu or press Win+I to jump in. Once Settings opens, click Personalization, then Background. You do this because the background page shows current wallpaper options and lets you browse images, colors, or slideshows. Make sure to keep the folder with your desired images ready. You will need it in the next steps. This is the first actionable move toward changing your desktop image. Now you choose how Windows displays the image. Pick Picture for one photo, Slideshow to rotate images, or Solid Color for simplicity. Click Browse to add a specific file or a folder of photos. Navigating to your images makes them available instantly. Once added, select the image and then pick a Fit option, Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, or Center to match your screen shape. You do this because the fit affects cropping and clarity, so choose the option that preserves the image composition you want. Finish by confirming the selection so the desktop updates immediately. You can close settings after seeing the new background. Use high-resolution images to avoid blur, ideally match or exceed your screen resolution. If the wallpaper doesn't change, make sure the image file isn't on a disconnected drive and that Windows has permission to access the file. Also check for active themes or third-party apps overriding settings. If that fails, restart Explorer or reboot. This usually clears stubborn display cache and applies the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.